have breaking news now about the stuck chairlift at Pat's Peak in Henniker yesterday that led to more than 100 people being rescued. The state fire marshal's office says its investigation has determined the incident was caused by wind gusts and was not mechanical. It took about 90 minutes yesterday afternoon to get everybody safely down. The resort talked about why they needed to take people off the lift in order to get it running again.
The rope was on the cable is on it's on shivs that hold it in place, and it came off in one spot. So in order to get back on, they need to get everybody off so they can get it back on the right space. But it's something that the lift mechanics are able to do and fix.
This comes at the start of what is typically a busy stretch for New Hampshire ski areas, the start of vacation week for many Massachusetts schools. This is the third time this month emergency crews were called to help with a chairlift issue at a New Hampshire resort. On February 2nd, a chair fell off a ski lift at Attitash Mountain. One person was on the chair at the time and fell about 20 feet. Witnesses say that he was conscious and walking after that fall. Then on February 5th, 64 people had to be evacuated from a lift at Cannon Mountain. Officials say that was because of a mechanical issue.